Welcome guys to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a barcode using Excel. So let's get started. Open Excel. Open blank page. Then type any number. But I have already written numbers as you can see. So here are some numbers of which I want to generate barcode. To create the barcode, implement the following Excel code. Type equal double quote asterisk double quote and type end. Press shift and select the number. Type end. Double quote asterisk double quote. Then press enter. Apply this code to all numbers by dragging plus up to the last number. Then go to font family, then scroll down until you find CCODE 39. Then select it. Then here we get the barcode. If you don't have that font, then go to dafont.com. Then find the barcode and click it. Here you get different barcode fonts. Then scroll down until you find CCODE 39 by Mark Tan. At the right, you can see the download. Download the font and install it. That's it guys, hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more new videos.